Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Jamie here for my 4 o'clock happy hour. I am going to give everybody a few seconds to get on. I am going to be making something with gin today. I'm going to hide that. Something with gin. Hope everybody is doing well. I am, let's see. So, as everybody is getting online with me today, I am going to talk about tomorrow. I'm going to be doing another Facebook Live at 3:30. So I'm going to actually be doing a 3:30 and then a 4 o'clock Facebook Live. And tomorrow I'm going to talk about wines that you can pair with food for Easter. Easter is on Sunday. I know a lot of us, including us, have just been thrown off by the times and the days and what day it is and what month it is and where we are. But Easter is Sunday. Marcus and I are deciding on what we are doing on Sunday. I don't know, have you come up with anything yet, Marcus? No, but we will definitely be open. We will definitely be doing our $9.99 special on Sunday, our shrimp mussels green curry, and we'll definitely do something else. I know it's also Passover time, so happy Passover, happy Pesach to those out there. And happy Easter coming up on Sunday. I want to say hi to everybody who's joining me, so thank you very much for joining my Facebook Live at 4. It is an absolutely gorgeous day out there. I actually did another, I think it's called boot combat or something like that. It's a lot of punches and throws and kicks, so that was really cool. And then I went out for a 1.5 mile walk just to get out and walk, and I'm listening to some really cool speakers, talking about having faith and going out there and having your face in front of people. And one of the things that I've learned through all of this pandemic is that I can't be afraid. I just have to go out there and be real and be myself, and that's what I'm doing with these Facebook Lives. So thank you for coming in. I want to say hi to my mom, hi to Marcus. I know there's some other people on there. If you're on, and if you could just say hi, wave, tell me what you're drinking for happy hour at home, that would be awesome. Tonight's dinner special at Aroma Thyme is a $9.99 dish. Every night we do $9.99, except for Wednesdays we do buy one pizza, get one free. So it's whatever the price of the pizza is, and then you get one free. So same that other stores do, buy one, get one free. Hi Jody, nice to see you on. And so tonight is Jamaican jerk chicken, $9.99. Call ahead, 647-3000. We are typically 5 o'clock we open, 8 o'clock is usually when the kitchen closes down. So that's kind of been our steady time. So 5 to 8 during the week, and on the weekends we open at 3 and we go till about 8 o'clock on Fridays and Saturdays. So thank you everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. Tomorrow's buy one, get one free pizza. Call early. We sold 120 pizzas last week, so make sure you call early for your pizza. I guarantee you we will sell out tomorrow. Call early, call by 2 o'clock tomorrow, and we space it out, so don't think everybody can come in at 5 o'clock to pick up. It's just not possible. So 2 new items that just came in today. We have Bread Alone's 12 grain and seed baguette available. I have limited amounts, and I also have the whole wheat sourdough miche bread, which is the bread that we serve here at Aroma Thyme. This bread, the the 12 grain baguette, is what we have on our cheese plate. They're nice and soft, and they smell delicious. Come get your Bread Alone bread from us today. We also have other things for sale as well. So we just keep adding things to our marketplace here. We still have gloves available. You can come get ionized water from us. Let's see who else is on. Hi Rachel, good to see you. Hope your family is all well. So let's tag a friend today. If you can tag a friend in the comments so that they know that I am on live and that I'm doing a drink of the day, that would be awesome. So today we are doing a peach tea. So it is a peach tea. I've already brewed some peach tea. You don't necessarily have to use peach flavored tea. You can use any flavored tea if you'd like and make any type of tea drink. You can use, I'm going to use some creme de pêche, which is a peach liqueur. I'm going to be using some gin, and then I'm going to be using agave, and then some lime juice as well. So let's get started today. So I am going to fill my shaker up with ice. And I am going to add the gin first. So I'm going to put 2 ounces of gin. I'm going to add some of the peach liqueur, a splash of agave. And again, you don't have to put agave. You can put agave, you don't have to. And then a couple of squirts of lime juice. Shake that up. Get it nice and cold. Hi Sal, how are you today? Nice to see you. Hi Anthony. Hope everybody is good. Hope everybody got out today for a little bit of a walk or a run or a workout or something like that. I'm going to pour my mixture of gin, peach, liqueur, agave, oops, I'm out of the screen there, sorry. Keep moving forward. Into my cup of ice, and then I'm going to add a little bit of peach tea to it. I'm going to mix that up. I have to be honest and tell you I've never made this before. This was kind of a fun little experiment, so let's see if I like it or not. Hopefully I'll like it. Very interesting, very peachy. A great summer drink. You get a little bit of the gin in there. You get a little bit of the flavors, the lemon, the coriander, the berries, the ginger. So that's really nice. Needs a little bit more ice because this was still a little bit warm. I would have added a little bit more agave, but nice and refreshing. It feels like you're actually just drinking peach tea with no alcohol in it. So be careful if you make this one at home. You can probably add raspberry. You could do a raspberry mint. You could probably do a plain tea with some sort of flavor in there. So there's probably lots of different options. Let's see who else is on. Zeta, hi Sal, hi Jason. Nice to see everybody on today. Thank you very much for joining me. Marcus and I again, we say this every day, but we are super thankful for all the support we've gotten from the community, from our family, from our friends. It's really been awesome. Hope everybody is feeling well. Everybody is getting some vitamin D out there, and having faith that this is going to be over very soon. I'm really hopeful that we're farther away. I think somebody said today it's only been like 39 days or 37 days. So I can say 37 days feels like a lifetime, especially in the bar business when you're used to having people around all the time. So that's why I do these Facebook Lives. I want to be social. I want to be interactive. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing an earlier one at 3:30. I'm going to talk about some wines. Maybe Marcus will even join me for that one. We'll talk about some wines that we would pair up with your Easter dinner or Passover dinner. Hi Cousin Joy, how are you? Hi Teresa. I have a lot of family on today, so thanks for joining me. My family is all logging on, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, $9.99 Jamaican jerk chicken tonight. We have a regular menu available as well. If you can't come in tonight, buy one, get one free pizzas tomorrow. And then Thursday's $9.99 burgers, so you can call and order burgers. Let's see, what else should I add in there? I had a great conference call today with some friends. Talked about growing our businesses and being creative and getting out there and being in front of people. So that's what I've been doing with these Facebook Lives. It's been pretty awesome. I appreciate everybody's support. I appreciate you coming and watching me. Who else on? Hi, Joey. How are you? Hi, Gavin. Nice to see you. Send my love to Jill and the kids. I hope everybody is doing well. And I think that's it for today. So I made a peach tea. You can make any flavor tea. Just brew some tea. Add your favorite liquor, whether it's gin. I use gin today. Whether it's gin or vodka, add a flavor, agave, lime juice, and you have a sweet tea to drink. So I appreciate everybody logging in. I appreciate everybody's support, and hopefully I will see everybody tomorrow. Join me tomorrow at 4 o'clock for Happy Hour with Jamie.